Hi guys, this is Nikki, you also known as Face Trader, and you're watching the Awesome 10X Global Market Update. It's November 6, 2020. It's a Friday already, so I just wanted to start off by saying that we have a free Friday class deep dive, and it's always for free. It's always here on Awesome 10X YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please click subscribe. Also like this video so that more and more notifications will appear to you, and YouTube will also know to recommend our videos for you. So, okay, let's begin. Of course, today I wanted to share that everyone who's been following Awesome 10X for quite a while, whether as a YouTube fan or also through our inner circle, they have been actually sharing to us all their Awesome 10X testimonials. I'll just read a few of them for you. So, this is an Awesome 10X testimonial. So, he shared that. I know I'm just one of your faces, Awesome 10X fans. Thanks for all that you do. Winners win. Xiaopeng, Xpeng Motors, Pintuatua, Nano Dimension, all thanks to Awesome 10X, Unity, JD, Fastly, Sumo. This is Sumo in London, yes. Facebook, Canadian Solar. You could see 78% up, 50% up, 45% up, 30%, 21, 16, 14, 14, 11. Some of his wins were not shared anymore because some of them were actually he shared that that's just a few of the winners that he kept. Some were actually sold already. But yeah, so very strong moves. And I wanted to share that it's not just one person. A lot of people were sharing their thank yous to me as I woke up. In fact, most of the feedback that I do get, and this is not me bragging, is that how I wish I knew you earlier. If this is a video that you just watched today, I do hope that you can backtrack to a few videos. And don't worry, if this is going to be your first Friday deep dive where you get introduced to Awesome 10X, I hope that we could continue to give you every single day. Well, it's not really a hope. We do that. We do this every single day. We will help you find your Awesome 10X journey. And also, I'll do it with you, alongside you. And I'm actually always going to be helpful, giving you some picks that will continue to go up, even if we've already got some of them as winners, why we continue to think that they will continue to win, and why we will not sell them because winners will win. Yeah, so I'll be sharing some of those picks later on for you. Yeah, and of course, click subscribe to Awesome 10X. This is a free channel to help Filipinos, non-Filipinos get more bang for your money. So it is a good feeling to see that everyone is learning to invest globally. Let me just read to you a few a few testimonials. Facebook, Lemonade, Shopify, Nvidia, Microsoft, Spotify, great job. These are companies that we do like. So from a YouTube fan to an Awesome 10X subscriber, she started her US last September 18. She's proud to also share this Filipino, also share that she did the same for ASEAN, BPI, Cebu Pacific, Dito, JFC, Merrimark, Nicolasia, did so well. Congratulations to your portfolio. She shared that my portfolio is still small, but I am grateful for the results, and every day I am encouraged reading your Viber group and watching your classes. I also have positions in the Philippines, but thanks to you, I've learned to also apply the Awesome Thanks strategy and invest globally. And I'm also doing the same in my Philippine positions. Agree. So we actually invest worldwide, but we also invest in the Philippines. So, hi, Nikki. Just like my classmates, let me say thank you for helping me in my investment journey. I've got zero knowledge in US or global market, and I joined Awesome 10X noong September 18 lang. Ang awesome talaga ng results. I currently own 18 names. Isa lang yung red since medyo mataas yung naging cost. So yon, she has Pintuatua, Unity for Solar, Google, SunPower, Palantir. Yes, we like those companies too. We also have that. So all of those companies are actually covered inside Awesome 10X. This testimonial is also said that I backtracked yung mga recommended picks mo a few months back. Yung iba, halos 100% na talaga. If hinold ko lang, ang galing. Sayang, ang dami kong na-miss. Kaya i-hold ko na rin lang itong mga to talaga. Thanks, Miss Nikki. Yes, we are a free channel. You can backtrack all of our ideas. RC Limited is now 182. Vuzi, I think, is $4. Enphase went from 45, now it's 110, 115. There's really so many. Of course, this is Awesome 10X pick. A testimonial said, with the Xiaopeng Xpeng Motors, I can now afford to buy an Xpeng car. Last night, it closed at $35, still holding. Winners win. Xpeng, for those who aren't aware, is a Chinese electric vehicle that we've been recommending to buy since $18 to $21. So, yeah. So more testimonials. Grabe. I was a true test. Xpeng was a true test of following your system. I remember when it was losing and not moving, I chickened out completely. And then after you reinforced a buy, I got in again to buy even a bit high at 22. I'm still waiting to exit my weak ones. But wow, the port is up 10% even just September 15. I hope I'm on the right track relative to the market trend. Thanks so much. Yes, just keep. So she shared that this is also a awesome 10x while everyone is at it. Thank you so much. She shared this person, different person, said, Agora, Serens, Disney, Doyu, Eman, Enphase, Fastly, Grow Generation, Jinka Solar, Palantir, C Limited, Sun Power. I don't know what WAPO is. I don't think I recommended WAPO. And then Xpeng. Yeah, so Xpeng, yeah. Xpeng was a recommendation. Of course, Nano Dimension was up 20% after earnings. So this one is still a keep for us. A lot of testimonials. This one is a complete believer. Superstar, Xiaopeng, Xpeng, Unity, Qualcomm, of course, great numbers. SunPower, Pintuoto, Palantir, VNet, Hexo is up 20%. Grow Generation was as well. So our Cannabis, Kamala Queen, yeah, Kamala Harris. Let me just share to you a few things. No? So Fastly, actually, we shared to you that we picked up Fastly shares below 64. I actually covered this in an inner circle pick. For you to know deep dives, you can go to www.awesome10x. Here, just go to Awesome10x. It is a website that we've created, and it kind of works something similar to Netflix. You pay a monthly subscription, and then you get access to my courses. You get a daily video, just like what you do every single day through Zoom class, but it's actually a deep dive, so you'll get to learn how to globally invest. This is a training to help you the 10x secular trends, and also to help you make a system so that you understand how to create portfolio. It's a portfolio construction method. Also, to view our products, these are daily deep dives. So we've got daily deep dives covering companies. So how to find 10x companies. We discussed some GW Pharma. We discussed some Fastly. We discussed we did discuss Minisaw, Array Technologies, Rewalk Robotics, Knobs, Look. Actually, what you'll see is that some of our picks have gone 100% already. Example, this Serens was a choice pick, July 20. From 36, now Serens is trading at about 61. We will have some winners, we will have some losers, but overall, we do have more winners rather than losers. I'd say that in last count, they said it's about, I thought it was an 80-20 hit ratio. Clients said, no, it's not 80. I think it's like 90-10. So 90% hit, 90% win ratio. And when we win big. It's not like a 10% win. 10x winners are 10x moves. It's not 100% sometimes. Sometimes it's a 500% move. So yeah, so let me just begin to also explain news. So yeah, this one is a good news for you, so that you should be aware that PayPal is using Fastly. For those who aren't aware, Fastly is being used in Shopify, in Stripe, in so many winners. So you should be aware of that. Square reported good numbers, revenue of 400% year-on-year, beating estimates by $950 million to $3 billion. So very strong movement. Palantir, just wanted to share this news for you. Palantir, we chose this at 9 to 10. You can actually check and backtrack. Palantir, data-driven. Yeah, we discussed it. IPO. Actually, this is a free Friday class pick. Data-driven, awesome 10x. So yeah, so we make a lot of deep dives. Just click on Awesome 10x. Nikki used Awesome 10x, and you can check out all our playlists. Watch our playlist. See for yourself whether this fits for you. We've got a lot of deep dives. So thanks for all the subscribers. Please click the like so that the algorithms will know to recommend get more people to subscribe, but also more winners. So we want people to win with us. We don't want us to only win. We want you to win. Really, we do that. Especially for Filipinos, because Filipinos have no no investors, not a lot of investing channels in the Philippines. So I hope that this one fits the bill for many Filipinos. Global investing trends. Sige. So this one is very good. Just so you know, your Palantir share, you still keep your Palantir. So it's now trading at $12. We have it at 9, 9.10, 9.50. Some of us even added at 10. Hold on to it. Most of them believe that it's a $13, but here we think no, it's not just 10, it's not just 13. We hold on to our winners. Key bullish arguments: accelerating revenue growth, rapid margin improvements, the shift towards software platforms away from consulting services. Palantir does data analytics for a lot of companies, whether it be government agencies or even your Walmarts. You can check out this IPO deep dive. We did it last September 11. Every Friday is a free Friday class. I hope you learned something. Actually, last week, guys, we shared to you Grow Generation and Hexo. Happy to tell you, both of them was up 18% last night. Let me just show to you some of our watch lists. Hexo was up to 72 cents. A lot of us bought at about 59 cents. That Friday evening, Hexo had a bad number, but we said, no, this is a company that has good numbers. Buy this on that dip. 59 cents, we bought it. So 58.59, we got it. Today it's about 72 cents, still holding on. We had a lot of picks. We said Tattooed Chef. We also bought some solar firms. So yeah, there's a lot of winners. The truth is we can give you 40, 50 winners. So you don't need to pick only just one company. In fact, we actually actively tell people to construct a portfolio. We also discuss this in the Awesome 10X system. Awesome 10X system here by Nikki, you streamed 2 weeks ago. So you could see that also just backtrack all of our videos and you can learn a lot, okay? We help you learn and earn. Okay, what else could I share for the day? I guess I should share that congratulations to all the Biden. Yeah, I think a lot of people have been also happily with their, yeah, this one, crypto. So a lot of people, some of you have it since 5,000 or 9,000 or 10,000 or 12,000. I said though that the 12,000, it was like 50-50. It can go 14,000, it can go 16,000, or it can just leap. It did go higher. Right now, we've got some resistances at 16,000. However, the trend is indeed your friend. As long as it's up, then hold on to it, just like what we do for winners. So if you have it, then hold on to it. It could even hit 18,000 or so. So right now, let's take a look at the charts, guys. Let's see. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. It is loading, right? Okay. It's now trading at about 15,667, a break of 14,000. This was a resistance, 12,000, then 14,000, now trading at 15,667. Where's your resistance? You've got this resistance, 17,400, nearing 18,000, and then all-time high moves. So yeah, so for now, if you have it, just hold on to it and see where it goes, see where it takes you. Just trail your stops. So Hexo did well, 20%. Vuzix is actually still a buy here at $4. Miniso 19 we bought. Yeah, let me just check your questions, if any. This one I think is a good read. Kahoot, it's a SoftBank investment. It's a math-related thing. Nasdaq futures up a chunky 9% since election today. Grow Generation, we've got this, still holding on. It's now trading at $22. Thank you, Biden and Harris. As you could see, all your solar companies were up very massively. Jinko Solar, 25%. Xiaopeng is now 35, isn't it? Tama ba? Or is it 38? It's 35. For all these winners, we just keep on holding. I think we're going to hit 100% move. So hit 40 or 45. I'll just hold. So I guess like we just have so many winners, I can't even name each one of them. I'm going to check your questionnaire if you have. OFW Philip is asking, thanks for more information. Thanks for all the information on global market. I'm a newbie for US markets. I'm still learning. It's okay. We're here to help all of you. So you can check out, of course, our courses here on Awesome 10X, or you can actually just view our free Friday class picks. Today is a Friday, so we're going to give you some free Friday classes. Every Friday, we do give free deep dives. Go to Nikki, use Awesome 10X. Take note that you can watch even our old videos. It will still be timeless because what you'll learn is actually important for you. These are the daily market updates on the global charts. These are some testimonials from so many people. But you can go to the free Friday deep dives. This is every 5:30 p.m. Friday. So Awesome 10X buying opportunities on October, the Awesome 10X system, what does Smurfit Kappa Group do, what's Rocket Loans, what's NVIDIA, 12, what's Palantir, Wearable Wars, Grow Generation, no-brainer stock picks for easy money, making money while sleeping, how to make money in streaming platforms. This one was YY. We discussed YY there. So that was we actually share a lot. So I think like you can learn a lot from the global market updates. What is your stand on Insigo? Okay, Insigo was something that I bought before. It's a 5G pick, agree. They had a bad number, so actually we sold it here. We used to have Insigo. I had this at 6. I remember having it at 6, and then we sold it somewhere at about, actually I sold early. I can't remember when I sold it. I remember buying it at 6. But I remember parang sinel ko ng 10 ata eh. Yeah, I never got to reach this 14, 15. And then of course that gap down move. Some of us sold more and then sold more. There were 2 earnings gap downs here. I haven't read, but chances are this is not the best pick in 5G. But the fact that I chose it before means that there was a fundamental reason why. I chose this Insigo. It was a choice something earlier. Eh. Even at 9 before I used to buy it. Eh, pero tinapon ko eh. Yeah, I think I bought somewhere here at 9 plus. And then I sold. Dito yun eh. Nag 9.50 tama. Tapos nag 12. Tapos nag 15. Tapos tapon 12. Yeah, sold here. Bought here, sold early. Bought back again, sold early. No, I haven't entered back. I haven't read the earnings report recently on Insigo. So lalabas yan November 9. Date November 5. Probably will wait. We'll check the numbers. But Insigo helps. I remember the category is 5G. Speed matters for Insigo. That's how they help. Insigo caters for your mobile hotspots in for Vodafone UK. Yeah, I remember doing that analysis. Basta ano siya, it's a cheap way to get 5G, MiFi, mga ganon. But it's not like the best pick in my view. I already transitioned for my 5G. Not naman transition, but I have like Qualcomm, NVIDIA. I have Ericsson. Nokia is actually a weak pick, but also Nokia should do well on your 5G. This is one of my weakest weak to. But I think this is a papatas to. 330 will go back to 4 and then eventually go up. Mabagal lang. Mabagal lang. Yeah. Okay, walang tanong. Sige. Dahil walang tanong, I will go to some charts. Okay, let me see. Wait lang ah. There's actually a lot of 15 to 20% movers. Hexo, this one is still a buy. Hexo, if you can get it 70 cents below, then you should accumulate more Hexos. Grow Generation is a keep. It's now trading at $23. I would say that the higher low move here is about $20. KC doing well, 37. Green Thumb, I like this name. I'll wait for a dip, but this one will still be an uptrend. True Leave also an uptrend. So these were a little bit slow, no? But they will still be fine. Agora, as long as it's below 45, we still will recommend this. As low as you can. Yep. Wearables were very strong. Wearables, we've got a slew of winners on wearables. Yeah, let me just share to you that Velodyne LiDAR is a pick that is a loss, but has recently gone back up. So this is up 16% last night. I think that some people are trying to bargain hunt, and these are companies that could still be a winner. LiDAR plays, Velodyne LiDAR. So this one actually had a support at 13. We featured it last Friday, fell back to about 12 even, but today went a solid move, 14.94. It should go higher to about 15.16 and a final resistance first here at about 19.9. So VLDR is still gonna be higher, and I think this one merits a buy signal. So still a buy. Let me take a look at some Chinese vehicles because this is the strongest suit. What will we do with Chinese vehicles after a 100% run or 300% run and so forth? As you could see, GD Auto, after a strong move from about 12 to 20, consolidated, 16 to 22. It might consolidate, but I think the move is still higher. Consolidations will be an advantage entry point. So it's going to be an ad somewhere here at about, I'm not sure if it's going to be an ad at 20 or 19, but I'll wait for that flag setup. 1211 is getting some profit taking already on that 200 mark. Rally to 200. This is a profit taking move. Thank you. I think that this one will have a huge profit taking move. So probably wait at about 140, 160. And then for, of course, your solars, Jinko Solar actually managed to rise as high as 24% last night. I was waiting very low, so I never got in. Some of us got in. So let's say they bought at 60 or 59. This move, 72 to 75, I do think that is probably a sell reco. So trade it. Buy here, sell there. But for First Solar, I'm a bit biased. No, First Solar, I bought. I bought even as high as 90. I bought even as low as 77, 79. This one at 88. I do think there will be some selling pressure here at 94, 95. So I would say that the solars, even after a Biden presidency, will have some buying and selling opportunity because it is a 25 to 40% move. So as you could see, Array, there was some selling pressure at 42 last night. There's a lot of buyers here at 34 to 36. So it's going to be a choppy move. Buy here, sell there, but also hold on. Hold half because that will break out eventually. Very strong moves on the electrics. I'm going to share to you some of our biggest electric wins. Electrics. Teka lang . Xpeng, 30%, another 10% move later. If you want to take profits later at about 38 all the way to 45, you can sell half. So sell half. Jinko Solar, 72 to 80, sell half. Nano Dimension is opening 377. I thought it was just like 350. So as you could see, some of our snapshots aren't really updated. Yeah, so this one at about 370 all the way to 450, you could sell partially. Sun Power nearing 20 to 21 can sell partially. Plug Power, I don't have it. Some of you may have it since 9 below. We like Plug at 9 below. Not all of us were able to enter. So the higher low recently of Plug was something like 14. We didn't enter there. I don't have Big 5. This is something that I know some of you have. They shared it to me. I don't have it. It's not a solar play. Big 5 is more on the Foot Locker area. So it's more of a sports retail store. Enphase is 121. Some of us still keep it. Sedge, I didn't buy. It fell to 200 recently. I haven't covered Sedge. Enphase, I did. Neo, I don't have it. Some of you might have it. For some who got in at 25 below or $20 below, still hold, but maybe take some profits on the way. $42. This is an amazing $2 to $42. It was actually just $1 this year. 40x your money for Neo if you hold all the way. Canadian Solar went 41. There will be some profit taking. I never covered Helion. FCell, yeah, we gave a buy at $2 at 249, 250. 25% moves in just 2 to 3 days are going to be poised for some profit taking. So do note that there will be some profit taking tonight, even as today's a Friday. Next week, maybe there will be still seeing some selling pressure. But yeah, I think like overall, it's fine to take some profits. However, I will have to always caution you not to sell all of your winners, no? So you might never get back in. It's not going to go down to your costs. So like your Xiaopeng will not go down to 20. Just because you sold it at 40 doesn't mean that you have the right to buy it back at 21. Okay? So you don't have the right to dictate the next higher low. Okay, so yeah, very strong moves. I just like to thank everyone for listening. What's the target price for Geely? I think like if you are there for the long term, I think like Geely can really hit $30. But given today's movement, some people are profit taking at 21, $20. If you do want to sell half. I do think there will be a higher low for Geely at about 19. Eugene Clark is asking, what do you think about Rewalk? Rewalk was one of our losers, still holding on at 110. I think that there will be buyers at about $1. Nonetheless, it's not a problem. I think that this is just a consolidation. So if you bought it at 120 or even as high as 130, I do think this is consolidating for the next 3 months and then go back up. So I think that it's not an immediate buy, but if you have it, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Okay, no more questions. Yeah, not a lot of questions. Sige. Thank you very much. See you again. I'll see you later. Free Friday class. Let's talk about companies that we can buy and companies that we want to take profits. So, bye-bye. Sige.